Hi, my name is Mark Jordan Monez. I'm taking senior seminar at Florida International University, winter term, mini term, 2016. Um, for my project, I chose option three for my experiential activity, which was writing the gratitude letter to a person that has contributed to my well being. The person I chose to give gratitude to was my former boss. I work for a well known technology company, and he was the GM of where I currently work, but has since moved on to another location. He makes the final decisions, puts people in certain positions to excel and also develop. My boss did this for me by volunteering me for a position that people usually have to apply for. Now, my new role was a trainer slash facilitator for the South Florida market. In this role, I was able to improve my communication skills and interpersonal skills, my biggest opportunity in my life. Not only did these skills help me in my professional career, but it's helped me grow as a person in my personal life. Now I'm able to have more open conversations with people I meet for the first time. I didn't realize how much this experience developed me to who I am today until my boss had moved on to another location. I wasn't able to give him the gratitude, but now, after reflecting on it, it's made me believe that I'm a whole new person. It took me some time to write this gratitude letter because I had to recall the different ways this deed has changed my life. It was during my reflection that allowed me to look back and see how much I've grown because of this deed. It made me think about the good times I've had and the people that I've met due to this experience. It's also made me think about what would have happened if I was never chosen to be a trainer, all because of my boss. I used to be a very shy person, usually held everything to myself. I would have stayed this way if it not had been for him. Writing this letter allowed me to be able to put into perspective who I am as a person. Currently, at this point in my life, it allowed me to assess my current status and then allowed me to plan some goals I want to accomplish for myself in the future. I want to continue to inspire others, let other people grow the same way I did because of my experience. Who would have thought that writing a letter of gratitude could turn into motivation, inspiration for myself? Looking back and reflecting this for myself, writing this gratitude letter could be contagious, open doors for everyone else because of how I feel, what I want to do because of this letter. I find that giving gratitude is an often overlooked aspect of life and is something that is seamless to do only if we take the time to step back and do it. More people in our lives deserve gratitude because the people involved all contribute to living a better life. In the beginning of this course, my thoughts on happiness were that it was controlled mainly by our genetics. 50% of our happiness is determined by our genes. I believe in the hedonic treadmill, where our happiness goes back to the predetermined state after a certain amount of time. But now I do realize that happiness is in our own perspective. If we practice it and choose that what things make us happy, we can overall become happier people. We have to practice positive psychology interventions, life like this gratitude letter consistently in order to accumulate our standards of happiness. It's like a muscle. If you don't use it, you lose it. I'm thankful for going through this course with you all. And finally, I give my gratitude to Professor because now we all know how to become happier people. Thank you.